What's up, cubers? And now I am going to do a speed solve of not the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, but the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So now, as I said in my tutorial, there are over 43 quintillion positions this Rubik's Cube can be in, but I'm gonna do my best to try to solve it. So let me just scramble it up here. In the middle, gonna do some more things. That's a good scramble. So now I'm gonna start in a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Now, so if there are a few bumping noises, it keeps bumping against my surface. And actually, the way to make your cube faster is to put cream in it. It sounds crazy, but it actually works. That's how my cube got faster. But I am getting a speed cube. I might go a little slow, but I'm going as fast as I can. And happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your turkey, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, whatever you like. My family usually gets a turkey pot pie or a chicken pot pie. Some of my stickers have gone bad, so I'm gonna need to replace them now and then. Not now and then, but soon. I also recommend a treasure chest cube if you like cubing and you keep getting your stuff stolen a lot. It's like once you solve the cube, you can pop off the top and then put something inside. It's a 3x3, but it has a storage compartment if you solve it. Three, 2, 1. Oh, I think I messed something up. So I'm not done. Oh, I'm gonna keep going with the speed solve. Oh no. I got moved back 2 steps. Done. So that was about 2 minutes and maybe 50 seconds. I wasn't timing. And that was my speed solve for the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And that treasure chest 3x3 I was talking about earlier was like once you solve it again, you can pop off the top and then hide something inside. I also recommend a 2x4 cuboid for anyone who likes cuboid cubes. I also recommend a 3x4x5 cuboid. I recommend the Megamins for people who like complicated puzzles. And I recommend a speed cube for anyone who wants to pick up their speed in cubing. And if you like 3x3 and you got bored with it and you don't want to switch to another cube, you just want 3x3, then I recommend the Eaton's Twist Cube. It's like a 3x3 except twisted over. Like twisted over. I've ordered all those, and I've ordered the mirror cube, but it hasn't come yet. But I've seen videos about it, and it seems like it's really good. That's why I'm recommending them, and that's why I'm ordering them. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.